If you have a cordless house phone that has the error message out of range on it, or if it says can't find base, and it doesn't matter if this particular one's a VTech, but you may have an RCA, Motorola, Panasonic, AT&T, it doesn't matter. It's basically the same concept. First thing, make sure that the phone is close to the base. That way, of course, you know that there's no interference. A lot of times Wi-Fi will cause interference these days. Now that everybody's got Wi-Fi, you might want to try the phone on a different part of the house and just to test it and make sure. Sometimes that will fix it. If this has been in the closet for a while, or if you bought a brand new and it's been in a box, go ahead and let it charge. And of course, make sure it's plugged in, right? And that you're getting a light. And keep it plugged in for a good 2 hours. Even if your phone says it's fully charged, that's sometimes deceptive. Go ahead and charge your phone for a good 2 hours and then see if you get that out of range or can't find base error. Sometimes a lot of times that will fix the issue. Next thing what I want you to do is do a reset. And to reset a cordless phone like this, you just unplug it from the wall or just unplug it from its jack. And then what we're going to do is take out the battery. And I'm going to let that sit for a good 30 minutes while it's unplugged and the battery's out of the headset. And then go ahead and put everything back together. And then tell me if that fixed your issue. 9 times out of 10, that will fix the issue. All right. Now, after you've tried all that, what I want you to do is try to re-register the phone to the base. So the base might just not recognize your particular phone. All right. And in order to do that, what you're going to do is where it says find handset, what I want you to do is hold that down for a good 5 seconds and don't let go, so it can pair the phone with the base. All right, after you do that, go ahead and hold down the number sign for 5 seconds. And don't let go for 5 seconds. And then what I want you to do is hold the find handset and the number for a good 5 seconds, both simultaneously like this. And don't let go. Okay, and see if that works. I'm pretty confident one of these solutions will fix the issue. If not, it could possibly be the battery in the phone. So replace the battery, and you can look up the model number of your battery on eBay. eBay or Amazon, but preferably eBay usually has them. And order a new battery and let that come in and ship to you. Let that come in, and then see if that will fix the issue. A lot of times it's just a weak, dead battery, and that will cause the issue. All right, let me know in the comment section which model that you have. Do you have the VTech? Do you have the RCA, the Panasonic, the Motorola, the Uniden, I think it's called? There's several different models, but let me know. And then also let me know which method worked. If one of these methods did work, let me know. If you found the solution that's not one of these methods, put in the comment section what that is, and I'll pin it to the top where other people can see it. All right, thanks for watching, and make sure you subscribe.